Open houses remain one of the most effective and cost-efficient ways to connect with potential buyers and sellers. And many top agents have built their careers on this old-school technique, which still works wonders today. So let's dive into how you can leverage open houses to elevate your real estate practice. I know you've heard the excuses. I don't like working weekends. It's a waste of time, or everyone is already working with an agent. But often, these objections come from those who aren't fully utilizing the power of an open house. If you found them to be unproductive, don't quit just yet. Let's rethink your strategy. Here are 9 ways to turn your open house into a money-making event. Number 1, treat it like a job interview. Every person who walks through that door is interviewing you as their potential agent. Dress the part, have your materials ready, and make each interaction memorable. This is your chance to showcase your expertise and work ethic. Number 2, prepare the home. Beyond curb appeal, focus on the details. Ensure that the home is inviting, and take your time to tour the property. Turn on the lights, open blinds, and adjust the temperature. Put out beverages and snacks, and set up your mobile office area with property information materials, a guest sign-in, your resume and services, area information including properties sold and for sale, and finally, a sample contract and financing examples. Number 3, effective marketing. Your marketing materials should include invitations, feature sheets, door hangers, online advertising, print and digital marketing, social media, a promotional video, signs and follow-up materials about the property, and of course, thank you notes. And don't forget to update the sign writer with the current status of the property. It showcases the results you deliver. Number 4, go out and meet the neighbors. Use the open house as an excuse to knock on doors and invite neighbors personally. Ask them why they love the neighborhood and when they plan to move. This not only builds rapport, but also creates future opportunities. You'll find the community and lifestyle information learned will strengthen your marketing materials as well. Consider placing a digital ad in advance. It's a nice way to let people know to expect you. I challenge you to reach 40 to 50 homes on your next open house. Number 5, host a private event. Before the public open house, host a private event for neighbors. It satisfies their curiosity and lets them see you in action, increasing the likelihood of doing more business in the neighborhood. Number 6, warm greetings. When guests arrive, make them feel at ease. Offer refreshments and a restroom perhaps, and let them tour the home at their own pace. Engage them with questions that build a relationship without pressure. Key questions to ask upon greeting them might be, how long have you been looking? When would you like to be settled? And if you found a home today, what would you do? Then encourage them to sign in to receive additional information about the home and local market. Lastly, create a reason to engage with you and inquire if they would be interested in being the first to see new and off-market properties. Number 7, offer prizes. Everyone loves winning something. Offering door prizes gives you another reason to follow up post-event and build relationships. Number 8, show gratitude. A simple thank you note card with a coffee gift card for neighbors goes a long way in showing appreciation and smoothing over any inconvenience caused by the open house traffic. Number 9, follow-up. How about a lovely note card and flowers for the seller? A personal email or phone call to each visitor. When the home sells, be sure to update the neighbors on how the sale impacts their home's value and offer to keep them informed in the future. Remember, an open house is more than just a single event. It's an opportunity to build long-term relationships and grow your business one neighborhood at a time. Create the experience your clients will love to talk about.